Hi guys! Welcome to the channel po sa aking Specially Sagittarius. Sana po okay po kayo lahat. Marami pong salamat sa support. Pero kung hindi pa po kayo nagsusupport sa aking videos, just click the bell and click subscribe. Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa aking mga followers. Sana po you're all fine, lahat kayo safe sa inyong mga ginagawa sa buhay, sa inyong mga pang-araw-araw na buhay. Sobrang marami pong salamat na talagang sobrang laki po ng aking pasasalamat sa inyong mga suporta. Anyway, let's see what is your reading for today. This is for all. Kamusta na po ba kayong lahat? Sana po ay okay po kayo. Sana po ay masaya kayo ngayong araw na ito. Sana po ay masaya kayo sa araw na ito, okay? So, tingnan po natin ang mga ang nakaraan, pang hinaharap, pang kasalukuyan. Ano po ba ang sinasabi ng baraha? Ano po ba ang iniisip ng tao para sa inyo? Ano po ba ang iniisip ng inyong minamahal ng sitwasyon para po sa inyo? Alright, sana po lahat kayo ay okay. Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong suporta. Alright, tignan po natin, okay? Ito po ang inyong reading for today. Nagsisimula ka sa Queen of Swords. Oh my God, that is your energy. Palaban. Palaban. Oh, the Justice card. Okay, you have the Justice card here. The Queen of Wands. The Ace of Wands. Oh my God. This is interesting. The Three of Swords. Oh my God. The Four of Swords. The Eight of Cups. Wow. The Nine of Wands. Okay. The Two of Wands. The last one. Oh, the Ace of Swords. Alright. So, let's see. Let me arrange the camera lang. Okay, para nakikita ng lahat. Okay. Thank you guys. So, this is your reading for today. Okay. So it seems like nagsisimula ka sa energy ng Queen of Sword. I think ikaw to. Alam mo ikaw ang Queen of Sword. Alam mo 'yon. You are the Queen of Sword here. Okay, ikaw ang Queen of Sword dito. Alam mo ang pakiramdam mo rito, alam mo. Parang ano rito eh. Parang you make sure to it na yung relationship na ipinaglalaban mo doon sa person mo, okay, talagang make sure that walang makakaagaw sa'yo or whatever. Talagang you're looking for a perfect relationship. Okay, tapos ano ka rito, parang medyo stubborn ka rito, okay? Stubborn in a sense of na parang matigas ang ulo in a sense na nakikita mo na yung person mo, meron siyang mga fault, pagkakamali na ginagawa, na na-hurt ka, na nadi-disappoint ka. So it seems like na you're still to continue. Kino-continue po pa rin. You're still continuing it. You're still stick into him. Siyempre, siguro masyado mo siyang mahal. Kaya nag-i-stick ka pa rin sa relationship nyo. Nag-i-stick ka pa rin sa relationship mo kasi because of your strong feeling to him. Naniniwala ka pa rin sa kanya. You have the Justice card here. The universe is advising you. Sinasabi sa'yo ng universe, it's time for you to wake up. Wake up. Time to change. Tapos, with this one, some of you marirealize na, okay, this is not really, the relationship is not really working anymore. The relationship is not going far ayon sa gusto mong mangyari. So now, nagtatransform ka to become the Queen of Wands. So see, Nakikita mo yan. So, from the Queen of Swords, na may pagka-stubborn ka, alright, you're still stick to the person, the one that you love, to the situation, that the one that you love. Now, nag-iiba ka ng, ng pananaw. Nag-iiba ka ng pananaw sa buhay. Parang this time, you will become the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands, okay, ayaw mo sa akin, pababayaan na kita sa mga gusto mo mangyari. Sige, gawin mo lang kung ano ang gusto mo. But this time, I will work for myself. I will work for my money. I will work for my career. I will make sure to it na this time, okay, kung gusto mo mag-disconnect sa akin, bahala ka. That is the energy. You have the Justice card here. You are fully guided by the universe na yes, okay, I will be disconnected. Fine, I will have this Queen of Wands moments. I will do everything all by myself. Gagawin ko lahat para sa sarili ko, just only to save my precious time and energy, my money, my time. Alright? You need to do this. You're telling to yourself, sinasabi mo na sa sarili mo, kailangan ko nang gawin to. Kailangan ko nang gawin to. Yan ang inaano mo to. You are making to a decision. Nagdi-decision ka na. Nagdi-decision ka na. And I believe na some of you nakikipag-communicate pa rin. Actually, formal pa nga yung iba sa inyo na you will talk to them, na you will ask for space, okay? Or your person will ask you for space. Para pag nagsabi yung person mo sa'yo na, I need space, okay, go ahead. Yun na lang ang sasabihin mo. Okay, fine, go ahead. Hanggang sa makipag-break siya. Ikaw rin, parang bahala ka. You're feeling cold here. Parang you're becoming cold na. Parang ano ka na, nagsasawa ka na. Alam mo yun, nagsasawa ka na sa paulit-ulit na cycle na nangyayari sa relationship nyo. Alright? So that is the present. Okay. In the past, you are being hurt. You are being hurt in the past. Nasaktan ka, tapos nakita mo yung person mo. Kaya this time, tapos nasaktan ka, meron ka nakilala, bago. Pero this time parang, if ever that you will experience hurt, you will experience betrayal, whatever kind of disappointment, it's that sa situation mo. Parang, okay, fine, this is not something new. Parang, masasaktan, pero move forward ka pa rin dito. Nasaktan ka in the past. And this also, the current energy rin I will connect this one dun sa current energy din ng iba na some of you are still hurt what happened in the past. Some of you nare-remember, naaalala nyo pa rin yung mga nangyayari in the past. Okay? Wow. Naaalala pa rin. Okay. There is nakaraan. Oh, see? Merong mga iba sa inyo nag-walk away. Your person walk away. And also some of you, na-betray kayo ng person nyo. Nagsinungaling siya. Okay? And of course, anyone, knows, they choose the other path. Nasaktan kayo. Sinaktan kayo ng taong to. Sinaktan kayo in the first place. Pero you decided, after dun sa pangyayari dun sa relationship nyo, nasaktan, iniwan, you are deciding to move forward. Nag-move forward naman ang lahat. Kaya, alam nyo, connected siya ngayon sa current energy nyo na you're the Queen of Swords. I'm very strong to see, I'm very strong enough to face the same challenges again. Alam nyo na ba mangyayari yun ulit, pero I just keep on, okay, I'll just face it again. Haharapin ko siya ulit. Same thing what happened in the past. But this time, you are very strong enough. You are very strong enough. Yeah. You are very strong enough. See? Yan ka. You're very strong enough. You're very strong. You are the girl on fire. parang come on. I believe, naniniwala ka na everything will be on your favor. Everything will be on your favor this time. You are so very confident. You're so confident here. You're so very confident here na mag-move forward ka. People, person in the past, okay, hurt you. People, person in the past betrayed you. Ayan. Binitrade kayo ng mga tao in the past. Okay, well, go ahead, betray me. I will move forward. I will cut you off. I will cut you off in my life. Aalisin ko kayo sa buhay ko. Go ahead. That is your energy. Go ahead. Oh. I need a clarifier. See the Hierophant card. You are looking into perfection. The Chariot card. Some of you will go travel. Or maybe your person will travel to see you. The Empress card. Oh. See? Despite all the challenges that is happening to your life, despite sa mga challenges na nangyayari sa buhay mo, ayan, stable ka pa rin. Pinababayaan mo na lang sila. See the Page of Wands. Alam mo, kahit na-hurt ka ng tao na to, naiisip ka pa rin ito. He is also realizing na he hurt you. Will he say sorry? Yes, some of them will say sorry. But some of them chose to be disconnected. See? Pero hindi nila kinilala yung kahalagahan mo. Alright? Hindi nila kinilala yung kahalagahan mo, yung contribution mo sa buhay nila. Well, may mga ganun talagang tao. Hindi mo maiiwasan yun. Oh, see? You're the hangman din. Suspended ka. Suspended, it means na parang, parang, it's like a road to nowhere. Saan ba ako pupunta? Diba? Saan ba ako pupunta? That's great. Well, let's see what will be the future. So in the near future, okay, some of you will come to realize that I'll move forward. I accept all the offers. Ayan, i-accept mo lahat ng mga offers na paparating sa inyo in the near future. At dun sa mga offer or sa may mga mag-o-offer sa'yo, you will know the Knight of Wands. May bago ka makikilala. This person will help you to move forward. The Knight of Wands. This person is, alam mo itong person na to, this is a very good person. Mabait na tao to. Solid to. Kaya dito ka. And the universe is the universe and the unknown world is advising you na stick to this person. You should stick to this person. Solid. See, you will make a choice in the near future. You will make a choice in the near future. Yeah, the Two of Wands. And to communication again. Makikipag-communicate sa'yo yung past. And let's see and clarify. You will make a choice for this time. And you will not allow anything toxicity. Pero accept to it na yung person mo ngayon, he is already disconnected to you. See, there will be a celebration that is coming in the near future. You will celebrate with this person and you have the World card. Recognize what is going to end and recognize what is the new beginning that is going to come. Recognize what is going to end and recognize what is going to come to you in the near future. Alright? So again, thank you guys for coming back and thank you guys po sa lahat po ng suporta. If you are still not my subscriber po, just click the bell and click subscribe. This is your reading. Make the universe come from you. Have it, take it. Goodbye.